Hey y'all, it's Jurnee here, back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today I'm showing you all how I curl my wigs, so stay tuned and I hope this helps. To start off, I'm using my titanium plate flat iron set on 460. I have 2 hair ties to tie the hair back, 3 different combs. I use all of these, you guys will see. I use this hair wax stick to lay down all the flyaways and make the hair real flat. And I have 2 hair clips to also keep the hair out of place. I'm going to start with sectioning off the hair, so I split the whole head in 2 and I tie off the left side first. So that way I can just focus on one side of the head at a time. Now you guys are going to see me splitting this section off and pulling out just, a smaller piece of the hair, and that's going to be the hair that I start to curl first. So I'm just going to do this one little piece right here first. And those are about the sizes that I'll curl in for the whole head. So now that it's time for me to start actually curling the hair, it's hard to explain my hand movements, but if you guys kind of see, I'm kind of flipping my wrist, so that way I can twist it upside down. You kind of get what I'm saying. And I start the curl off as high as I want the curl to go, and then I just slowly keep on twisting and pulling, like how you guys see. I'm pulling the hair down, but then I keep rolling it back up and holding it because I do want the curl to be that high. Y'all just see me unravel it and then I twist it back up. So I unravel, pull, twist up, unravel, pull down, twist up, so that way I can slowly curl all of the hair up at one time. So still unraveling it because there was a little piece left on the ends, and then I'll twirl up, and then I slowly open up the flat irons and kind of like click them to get the hair to fall out of the flat irons. Right now I'm kind of squishing the hair together because it's hot and I want it to hold that curl, so I'll squish it together and then let go of it, unravel it, but you guys get the picture. Y'all see what I'm doing pretty much. And I'll continue to just do this every single time. Ignore my laptop that you guys see in the background. I love RuPaul's Drag Race, so I was watching TV while I was curling my hair. So again, combing the hair out just to make sure every piece is flat, and I take my flat iron and kind of flip my wrist going towards the head, and you see me starting the curl where I want the curl to be, as high as I want it to be. So what I'm doing with my fingers is just kind of making sure it's hot. I just touch it to make sure it's hot. So you guys just saw me pull the flat iron down to get more hair into the heat, and then I roll it back up. So I'm pulling it down to pull the hair in to make sure it gets in the curl, and then I roll it back up, back to how high I want it to be, and I kind of hold it there. And now I'm clicking the flat irons to get that curl out, drop it into my hand. Now I'm pressing the curl again, just so that way it can kind of stay in that form. Of course I want my curls to drop, but while I'm doing it, I don't want it to drop too much, so that's why I press them together, so that way, it can kind of keep the form that it has while it's in the process of getting curled. So I decided to speed up the process now, so that way the video isn't too long. If you guys are questioning why the hair is already curled, it's because I filmed this video and then I realized I did not like how the curls looked. So I decided to totally redo the whole video again. So that's why the hair that's, pinned back, that's put up, that's why that hair is actually curled already. I brushed the curls out, but it still has a bit of a curl. So that's why. Also, to add to that, you really probably shouldn't use, way too much heat on your hair. The videos were filmed like 2 days apart, but also I use really nice hair. I don't use cheap hair, so I was really able to do that. I wanted to slow the video down right here just to show you guys how I'm curling the front. Some people think that the front is curled differently, but I curl my front exactly the same like how I curl the back. The only difference is that I want my curls in the front to be a little bit higher, a little bit more in my face, face framing. So I just curl the hair up a little bit higher. That's really the only difference, but I'm still curling towards the face, curling towards the head. My wrist still turns the exact same way. I'm still doing the thing where I pull the hair down, wrap it back up, and twist it back up. Y'all get what I'm saying. Same thing I said earlier. But again, since this hair doesn't have layers in it in the front, I just curl a little bit higher so that way I can kind of create that layered look a little bit, but it doesn't work exactly how I want it to, but it's still a bit of a layer, so y'all can see. So I finished the whole right side of the wig, so now I'm on to the left side. So I'm gonna hold the flat iron a bit differently, but I'm still curling the same. So I'm curling the same like you guys can see, but now I have the bottom of the flat iron facing the ground instead of it up in the air. So if you guys kind of get what I'm saying, before on the other side of the head, I had the bottom of the flat iron up in the air and the top of the flat iron facing down to the ground. Now I flip it the other way since I'm right-handed and I still want the curls to, you know, kind of meet together in the middle. It's kind of hard to explain, but I want them to kind of meet together. I don't want all my curls going the exact same way. You know, the left side is going to be angled one way and the right side is going to be angled another way, where they're kind of meeting in the center at a V. So that's why I have to change the angle of my flat iron so that I'm getting that V type of shape. Y'all are gonna see what I'm saying. It's kind of hard to explain, but y'all will really see. So this is what it looks like when you're totally done curling. Clearly this is not cute. Like, that's not cute. If you go out the house like that, it ain't cute. So I'm gonna have to brush it all out later. But the next thing I'm gonna do is take those front pieces and I'm gonna kind of wind them back up and I'm gonna clip them together, because like I said, I still want those to lay high. I want them to be face framing. So I'm clipping them up so that way they can kind of stay a little bit higher, because I know that the hair is gonna fall eventually. So now I'm taking my hair wax and I'm just going around laying those flyaways. I'm not sure if you guys can totally see them, but there are a bit of flyaways, and you know, a little goes a long way. You don't want to be too heavy-handed with that. You don't want to use way too much, but I definitely do that so that way the hair can look as flat as possible. And I also use a hot comb on the top of the head, so that's how I really get my wigs to lay really flat. All that. That's how they be looking, you know, real good, real bomb, all that. Hey y'all, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video of how I curl my hair. You know, I like to curl my hair like this if I'm feeling really girly one day. You know, just want to pop out, look really cute. So, hope you guys liked it. If you guys want to see something else or something similar to this, definitely comment below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Check out all my videos. Check out my latest video too. And also, if you guys are interested in something like this is a wig. And I have a business, Laced by Jurnee. So if you guys want to get a wig made, you know, check out my Instagram. I'll put it in the description box, so you guys can definitely check that out and get a wig made for me. Okay. But yeah, thanks y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. But at the end of the day, learn from those mistakes and continue to have fun. we are there for school, but you're not gonna stress yourself out about just school. Go out, have fun,